Every once in a while, a bike drops that doesn't just improve the game, it rewrites the rules. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450F isn't just a refined version of last year's winner. It's a full system overhaul. This is Kawasaki's ultimate response to the demands of pro-level motocross, faster, sharper, and smarter than ever before. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a gate drop veteran, the changes this year will surprise you. And by the end of this video, you'll learn the one upgrade that pushes the 2025 KX450F beyond anything in its class. Let's dive deep. The KX450F has always been Kawasaki's premier four-stroke MX weapon, and for 2025, it returns with a radical shift in design and performance philosophy. The engine? Still a 449cc liquid-cooled DOHC four-stroke single, but this year, it's all new. A complete redesign focused on two key goals: increased power and improved rideability. The cylinder has been rotated slightly forward to centralize mass, the intake port has been re-angled for straighter airflow, and the throttle body is larger. The result? Better breathing, sharper response, and noticeably more torque off the bottom without sacrificing top-end over rev. Peak horsepower is up, mid-range pull is stronger, and thanks to revised valve timing and combustion efficiency, throttle response is instant razor-sharp, especially in soft terrain or tight corners. But power is only part of the story. Handling was another major focus in 2025, and Kawasaki made big moves. The chassis is all new, a reworked aluminum perimeter frame, stiffer in key areas for more front-end feel, but lighter overall by nearly 2 pounds. That might not sound like much, until you hit the first braking bump or rail your first berm. This frame allows more aggressive riding without sacrificing flickability, a rare combo that pros and fast amateurs will instantly notice. The suspension package gets an upgrade too, with KYB 48mm A-kit-style forks replacing the previous Showa units. These new forks feature high-speed compression adjusters and updated spring rates tuned for a more planted feel under hard acceleration and big landings. The rear shock is also KYB fully adjustable, with better damping balance and increased rebound control, especially helpful on rougher, faster outdoor tracks. The electronic suite is where the 2025 KX450F separates itself completely. For the first time ever on a Kawasaki MX bike, Rideology MX connectivity is standard. What does that mean? Simple. Full smartphone tuning. You can adjust fuel mapping, ignition timing, and monitor engine diagnostics straight from your phone using the Kawasaki Rideology MX app. There's no need to swap couplers or plug in a laptop. You just pair, tweak, and ride anywhere, anytime. In addition, the KX450F now includes 3 selectable power modes on the bars, plus adjustable traction control and launch control that's even more refined than the outgoing version. These aren't just gimmicks. They're tools that help you get the whole shot. They're tools that let you ride hard when the track gets slick or rutted. And they can make the difference between consistent lap times or washing out mid-moto. Let's talk braking and wheels. This year, Kawasaki upgraded the front master cylinder for better modulation and power, while keeping the massive 270mm pedal-style front rotor. Outback, a 250mm rotor, handles rear stopping duties with improved fade resistance. The bike rolls on Dunlop MX 34 tires, a huge upgrade in feel, and traction over previous stock options mounted on black XL rims for strength and style. And Kawasaki didn't forget about ergonomics. The adjustable Ergo Fit system remains, letting you move the handlebars and foot pegs into positions that suit your body and riding style. The seat is flatter, firmer, and grippier, just how racers like it. Even the plastics were redesigned with a sleeker profile and improved airflow dynamics. Now for the surprise, Kawasaki didn't over-advertise the 2025 KX450F SR Performance Edition. This race-bred variant is a near replica of the factory team bike. billet triple clamps, lightweight rear sprocket, updated ECU mapping with aggressive tune, and exclusive black and green graphics that scream factory-level attention. This model is for riders who want a turnkey pro experience right out of the crate. So, is the 2025 Kawasaki KX450F the best 450 motocrosser on the market? It might be, because Kawasaki didn't just polish the edges, they rebuilt the blade. It's faster, lighter, and smarter. It's connected. It's a machine that adapts to the rider instead of forcing the rider to adapt to it. Whether you're chasing hole shots, logging motos at your local track, or stepping into regional competition, this is the KX made for domination. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 KX450F, a motocross bike that blends raw mechanical aggression with digital precision. For more real-world reviews, pro insights, and dirt-focused analysis, subscribe and ride along with us here at Usher Rider. We bring the machines to life so you know exactly what you're throwing a leg over. Until next time, grip it, rip it, and keep your throttle wide. Acer Rider, signing off.